My favorite song that Johnny Frigo wrote. It's so short. It's got a foot. So this song is called Osaka Saki. And a little bit of the background. So it's my favorite one, and every time I would tell Johnny Frigo, this is my favorite poem or my favorite song that you wrote, because he wrote poems and he was a fine artist. He did so much stuff. He'd say, "Really? Well, that old thing." He said, "Well, I was just bought some new strings, and I was trying them out to see how they sounded like." He says, "Oh gosh, I just kind of thought that sounded like a song. Like I'm going to call it Osaka Saki." So here it is, Osaka Saki. Suzanne Lansford. Dan Tomlinson.